Hi, I'm Samuel Gunter, and today I'll be presenting my pre-summer project for my upcoming summer internship at Atlassian. I've created a Slack bot that lets you schedule reminders for specific messages after a set amount of time, like 5 minutes or 3 days, along with a website to reschedule or cancel those reminders. Scheduling a reminder is really easy. You just go over, click the three dots, click Remind Me, and then set whatever time you want. So let's set a reminder for 3 minutes. We see that there's a success message that either goes away when you click delete or if you refresh your page. Now we got a notification. Let's see what it says. So here's your reminder link, and then it shows a little brief display of the message, and then you can go directly to the message. Now let's say we want to edit a reminder. So first I'm going to create a reminder that goes off in 13 days. And we got a success message, so let's go and hide that away. So now if we come over to the React side, we have to sign into Slack so that people can only see their own reminders. And click allow to give permissions. Okay, now we are logged in. So we can see that currently we have 2 reminders. This is one that is already expired, but we keep it in the database just so people have a log of their own reminders. We can go ahead and remove the expired reminders. And now to reschedule that old reminder, we can just click the reschedule button and then pick a date and time using the date picker. So we'll say today and then remind me 2 minutes from now. And click reschedule, and then it gives confirmation for rescheduling. And we go ahead and reschedule that reminder. And now we can see that the post stat has changed to be today at 10:27. So then we will see that reminder show up any minute now. And there we go. It pops up that reminder again. And we can still view that message. So what happens if you have a reminder that you don't want to go off? So first I'll set, okay, why can't I click? There we go. So first I'll set a reminder to go off in, say, 7 minutes. And we'll create that. It successfully created that reminder. Hide that message. Refetch that reminder. And then we're going to say delete. And once it goes away, we know that we got a success from the server, so that message was successfully deleted. So I'll be back in 7 minutes to show that that reminder doesn't show up. Okay, it's been at least 7 minutes since I scheduled that message, and we did not get a new message in here, so that deletion request worked properly. The problem you can have with this bot is that you haven't added the bot to the channel. If I create a new reminder in this channel, we haven't added the bot to this channel. So first we have to add the bot to the channel by just pinging it and say add to channel. And now we've added to the channel and we can create a reminder. So let's set that to go off in 8 days. We successfully did that, and I'll go ahead and delete it because I don't need that reminder. The reason that we need to add the bot to the channel is that certain attributes like the content of the message requires us to have access to the channel. So instead of just storing nothingness into the message content field, we don't allow you to schedule a reminder without adding the bot to the channel. So when we have a bunch of reminders on here, we can see the ID for each scheduled message. We can see a permalink that when we click on it will go directly to that message. You can see when we're going to post. So that would be June 10th of this year at 10:37 p.m. of our local time. And we can see that the message was authored by Samuel Gunter, display name. We can see the channel, and we can see the message content. And if we click on the permalink, it goes back and highlights that message. We can also log out, and that takes us back to the login page. And because we require authentication, if you try to go to the website without without being on the login page, then it just redirects you to the login page. If you're already signed in, when you try to go to the login page, it just redirects you back to the normal page. So this bot wouldn't be useful if only one person could use it at a time. So if I navigate to another, if I go to another account and sign in, we have to authenticate with this account, which is a different Slack account. As you can see, we have no reminders. So if I go to my alt account, I can schedule another message to go off. Let's set this go for 1 minute. And we come back here, refresh our reminders, and we can see this reminder. And it's completely separated from my main account's reminders. This was the purpose of logging in with Slack. Okay, it's about to send us a notification, and there we go. We get that reminder on our alt account, and it's not showing up at all on our main account. In conclusion, RemindMe is already a built-in feature in Slack, and you can operate it entirely within Slack by deleting or viewing your reminders. And also, if you complete a reminder, you can see your completed reminders list. Thanks, Slack.